Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. My name is Jerry Boy, but you can call me JB. I'm 29 years old. I have a daughter, age 4 years old. I have 8 siblings and I'm in the 6th. I'm from Sorsogon, Bicol, Philippines. I'm a college graduate and took as a Bachelor of Elementary Education. I work here in the Philippines being a helper in 3 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 10 and 12 years old. My main duties are taking care of children, tutoring basic English and math, cooking, car washing, sending them and teaching them in the school, gardening and marketing. To my future employer, please choose me because I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. And being an education student, I have already experienced taking care of children. I assure you that I have a long patience and I promise that I always obey your or follow your rules and regulation. Thank you and God bless.